Symbolic violence refers to the subtle ways people enforce social norms and hierarchies through non-physical means. Unlike physical violence, which causes visible harm, symbolic violence operates within language, culture, and social practices. It often manifests in everyday interactions, where one group may dominate another without any visible force. This type of violence is insidious because it can shape beliefs and attitudes about what is normal and acceptable, leading people to accept inequalities without questioning them. Now let's look at some examples of symbolic violence. One common example is when certain languages or dialects are deemed more prestigious than others, leading speakers of less valued languages to feel inferior. Another example is the portrayal of specific social groups in media as lazy or incompetent, which can reinforce stereotypes that affect how those groups are treated in society. Additionally, academic and workplace settings sometimes encourage certain cultural references or jargon that exclude individuals who do not share that cultural background, making it harder for them to participate fully. The effects of symbolic violence can be profound and long-lasting. Individuals may internalize the messages conveyed through this type of violence, leading to a lack of confidence and a diminished sense of self-worth. They might begin to see themselves and their abilities through the limiting lens of societal expectations, which can hinder personal and professional growth. Over time, this acceptance of symbolic inequality can contribute to the maintenance of larger societal problems, such as poverty and social discrimination, as the marginalized groups may not challenge or resist their situation. Understanding symbolic violence is important because it highlights the less visible forms of power that shape our lives and society. By recognizing these subtle dynamics, we can work towards fostering a more inclusive environment where different voices and perspectives are valued. This awareness also encourages individuals to question existing norms and practices, leading to potential social change. Without acknowledging the impact of symbolic violence, efforts to combat inequalities might overlook significant barriers that contribute to injustice and discrimination. Now let's explore some concepts related to symbolic violence. One such concept is cultural capital, which refers to the skills, knowledge, and education that individuals possess, influencing their social mobility. People from different backgrounds may have varying levels of cultural capital, affecting their ability to succeed in environments where certain traits or knowledge are favoured. Another related concept is socialization, which is the process by which individuals learn and internalize the values and norms of their society. Symbolic violence plays a role in socialization by shaping how certain behaviours are rewarded or punished, further entrenching existing hierarchies. Additionally, symbolic power, a term created by sociologist Pierre Bourdieu, complements the idea of symbolic violence by describing how certain groups exert influence over others through cultural recognition and legitimacy.